Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel, getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals video looking at BTC. And as we can see in the last couple hours, we did get our break to the downside. Looks like our trend line did not hold us, and now we came back to the 618 on the short-term time period, and kind of meandering there at the moment. But we can kind of zoom out here in a 1 day, see what's going on. What we can do at the moment is get rid of a couple of these. And alright, what we can do is grab the bottom of our trend line here. If I can grab it, it'd be nice. And we can go across the side here and through the channel. So 1, 2, 3, using the bottom. And it looks like it's still holding onto a trend, from the bottom of this one through it. But it is getting a little interesting. We're getting very close to something having to happen. It looks like it might meander for another week or so in this region. But the likelihood of it to me is it's dwindling because of how long we have been in here for. We've been in this region since March 17th, and it is April 2nd. So numerous retests trying to get through here at $28,900. There's only so many times when you can hit this a resistance, multiple times. Technically, it's been 2 good retests where you just wind up coming back down, retesting, and then coming back to retest again and seeing if we can actually do it. So that's the only thing that's kind of speculative on my mind because we haven't technically come back to retest this 25,231. Like, this is what I'm thinking in my head. Only because we couldn't get our full extension. We couldn't break above $28,900. Like, we briefly did, but we didn't push as far as we needed to. So I'm just going to throw that out there. But we can also zoom in on a smaller time period and see what possibilities do lie. So at the same time, we're still meandering. We could use the bottom end of here, go across the side here if we really wanted to, just like this. And we have a short term on the top just like that. Looks like it still comes with a Friday of next week of having a possible move. I would say from the last time, just hitting right here up to around that $29,342, pushing itself up there and seeing if we can actually push through that resistance. Otherwise, I do think that we're going to come down and retest. It only makes sense in my mind. I mean, we're in the floor here on the 1 hour. We're a little bit overbought. So actually, no, we're oversold here on the 4 hour and on the 1 day. And we just got rejected from the 70. We're sitting at around a 57. But as you see, we kind of move up in waves. Go all the way down, go up, and then come all the way down. That's what, in my opinion, I think that would then make sense. If we're going to follow the waves of this RSI, our ups are down, or up or down, or up or down, and we're kind of in the middle of it. It looks like we might have a little bit more pushing to the downside. We're just kind of getting those little relief rallies upwards. But I'm giving you that idea, but I'm also giving you a short-term idea of how it can push up a little bit further. But just giving you, what to look at in my eyes, which I'm going to be looking for a breakthrough around $27,381. Right around there is a 100-day moving average here in the 4 hour. Because if it does break through there, our next target for support realistically would be down there on 25,976 at the 200-day. Obviously, the short-term fibs, but technical targets of moving averages would be that. But I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm just kind of giving you my insights on the chart and laying out both situations for you. All right, but have a good one, and I'll see you soon.